bounces right off of it. Don't even care. Okay, so today I got a package from BESTEVMOD, which I know a lot of people have done reviews on their product. So I'm just going to be another person who does a review on them, and maybe my take will give you a stronger opinion either way. I'm actually excited about this. This is for the back of the back seats. I've been wanting these for a long time, so I'm really excited about having this. I guess it maybe just Velcros on. Okay. Well, we're gonna go ahead and put these on the car. We do a lot of projects in the house, so one of the things I did notice is I'm beating the crap out of the back of my seats, of my back seats. So I think these will be really nice, and honestly, it's a pretty nice material. I don't know what material it is, but it's like a, I don't know, urethane, plastic, rubber. I don't know. I'm not even gonna act like I know what I'm talking about. But we're gonna put these on, take a couple pictures, and yeah, just extra protection from BESTEVMOD. So we are here with the backseat covers. So I'm gonna install this how most of you would, which would be no instructions, don't even bother YouTubing. It is a little windy, I apologize, but let's get these on there without actually reading about how to do it. So let's pull them out, I'm gonna show them to you. So a very similar material to their competitor, which is 3D mats. But very similar kind of feel and similar pattern, not exactly the same. But from what I gather, these just attach directly onto that material. So I'm gonna lower the seats. Forgot we have these buttons. Mine still have that one still has the wrapping on it. Lower these, grab this. Obviously the smaller piece goes on that one. So it looks like it looks like they just Velcro on. So line it up. I'm gonna just stick it adjacent to the top. Oh yeah, that's a good fit. Very good fit. Squeeze everywhere. Now let's go to the other side. Same thing, just up. This is nice because now I actually have full coverage versus the back of these getting beat up. And I transport a lot of wood, and I was always worried about ripping this, and then I also put stuff here, but I usually put like a towel up there. But this is nice, so let's test it out real quick. Let's see, what can I throw in there? Let's see, we'll grab a hammer, screwdriver, pliers, and stuff that I move around a lot, which is like sway bars and stuff. Let's see. Oh, I'm in a rush. Need to throw this. Don't care. Oh yeah, this bounces right off of it. Don't even care. Oh look, sway bars. Yeah, just throw it on there. I don't even care. Yeah, see, doesn't injure anything on the back of the mat. So this is my official test, you know. And infomercials, they're throwing tools and stuff. What about wood? Let's try wood. Yeah, I'm always buying lumber. So now instead of just do that, yeah, no rush. I can even do that. I can do that. Yes, perfect. This is awesome. Makes me feel a lot better about having it. So let me fold these up so we can see what these look like. Look at that. Look, I can just do that. No issues. Look at that. Nice and protected. I need to adjust this one. But again, let's do this test again. Oh look, I'm in a rush. I gotta go. Throw it against it. Don't even care. Don't. Oh, sway bar. Oh, piece of wood. Got that too. Oh, it won't fit. Oh, it won't fit. Dang. Oh well, it does its job. Very, very nice. Look, it just cleans right up. Dented a little bit, but who cares, because that's what these are for. So yes, I highly recommend these, especially if you're going to be carrying stuff in the back of your EV6. And they just look nice. They look fairly factory. Thumbs up. Go buy them.